Hare Krishna. So today we learn about the use of chahiye in Hindi. So the structure for the use of chahiye is subject with ko, noun object, chahiye, and hona in the required tense if it is necessary. Let's understand this more with a couple of examples. I need a cup of hot tea. मुझको एक प्याला गरम चाय चाहिए. चाय इज टी. चाहिए आई नीड और आई वांट. मुझको एक प्याला. प्याला इज कप इन हिंदी. गरम इज हॉट. आई नीडेड अ कप ऑफ हॉट टी. मुझको एक प्याला गरम चाय चाहिए थी. नाउ चाय इज फेमिनिन. That is why we are using chahiye thi. I will need a cup of hot tea. मुझको एक प्याला गरम चाय चाहिए होगी. चाहिए होगी because you would want it. I will need. Future tense. That is why we are adding होगी. They need a house. उनको एक मकान चाहिए. उनको एक मकान इज हाउस चाहिए. दे नीडेड अ हाउस. उनको एक मकान चाहिए था. नाउ मकान इज मैस्कुलिन. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर यूजिंग था. दे विल नीड अ हाउस. उनको एक मकान चाहिए होगा. What do you need? आपको क्या चाहिए? What did you need? आपको क्या चाहिए था? What will you need? आपको क्या चाहिए होगा? So notice that for all what we use क्या, and we are addressing everyone as आपको, the most formal and polite form. Mother does not need anything. माता को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Mother did not need anything. माता को कुछ नहीं चाहिए था. Mother will not need anything. माता को कुछ नहीं चाहिए होगा. He or she needs new ornaments. Ornament in Hindi is gehne. This is plural, that is why gehne. Otherwise one, then we can say gehna. उसको नए गहने चाहिए. He or she needed new ornaments. उसको नए गहने चाहिए थे. He or she will need new ornaments. उसको नए गहने चाहिए होंगे. Whenever we use चाहिए in the sense of should or ought to do something to express like an obligation, we use it in this way. You ought to go now. अब आपको जाना चाहिए. You ought to have gone. आपको जाना चाहिए था. Then even in case of transitive activities where object is not clearly stated, so we just use the infinitive form. Infinitive form is the verb that is ending in na form. Like if we take the verb khana, we see that it's the verb form. To eat, khana. What should the patient eat? मरीज को क्या खाना चाहिए? Now here the object is not clearly stated. Like what he should eat is not clearly stated. That is why we are just saying क्या खाना चाहिए. What should the patient have eaten? मरीज को क्या खाना चाहिए था? Where transitive activities where object is explicitly stated, we use the root of the verb, then we add na, ne or ni depending on the gender of the noun. She should wear new ornaments. उसको नए गहने पहनने चाहिए. पहनना is to wear. There is another verb which is pehnana, which is when you put something on someone, like you put a bangle on someone's hand. The action is called pehnana. So one is pehenna, which you wear yourself. Pehnana is you dress someone else in something or adorn someone with something. She should have worn new ornaments. उसको नए गहने पहनने चाहिए थे. Mother should rest. माता को आराम करना चाहिए. Mother should have rested. माता को आराम करना चाहिए था. She should buy this book. उसको यह किताब खरीदनी चाहिए. She should have bought this book. उसको यह किताब खरीदनी चाहिए थी. So किताब is feminine. खरीदनी चाहिए थी. That is why we are saying चाहिए थी. आराम करना is to rest, to take rest. आराम is masculine, as you can see, they're pointing out masculine singular. That is why we are saying करना. गहने here is masculine plural in both these places. किताब is feminine. That is why we are saying खरीदनी. खरीदनी चाहिए थी. I hope you find this video useful. Hare Krishna.